haven't had my Lexus in over 3 weeks. Let me tell you why. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Marty Motoring. I just wanted to make this update video in the midst of everything. I know it's been about 2 weeks since I made a video, and I'm glad to be back. I've just been so busy, even during this quarantine. I've been using my 4Runner to go places to keep miles off my Lexus IS350, which, if you're a follower of the channel, you know I've had for 3 years, and I plan to sell this year. Well, things haven't really gone as planned. One of the big reasons is I had an ABS light on, couldn't figure it out. I changed the ABS sensor, I checked a lot of fuses and everything, and my ABS light remained on. Being that I had an aftermarket warranty, I went to Toyota to drop it off with the warranty. And the reason I went to Toyota is because it's really close to my house and pretty convenient. But they diagnosed the problem right away. It's my ABS actuator, which turns out is $2,000 new for the part from Toyota, which is absolutely ridiculous. Now, could I go on eBay and buy the part for $200 or less used and do it myself? Sure, that would be the easy route. I can get the car fixed and sell it. But I want it to be done right, and I wanted to have a new part. So I had to bring it to Toyota, have them diagnose it, and hope my warranty was gonna pay for everything. Somehow they got confused between a solenoid and an actuator, and they denied the claim. So I kept calling them, and I left a Google review, and now they came back and said, oh, we mixed it up, solenoids are not actuators, we do cover actuators, which they said they covered in my warranty. So that's why I was like, why is this not covered? All in all, I've just been having a crazy year. 2020 has been crazy, good and bad. If you saw my last video, you saw that I got sued for a car I sold last year, but I won the case. Now I can't even sell my Lexus, which is great condition, other than that ABS issue, which is gonna be fixed. I dropped it off April 30th, and it took the warranty company forever to finally say, oh, that's approved up to a certain amount. So I still have to pay some out of pocket. I think it's like $700, which is just crazy. It's like, why do I even have a warranty? But they're only covering so much because it's OEM part and this and that and all this stuff, and it's like, yeah, I guess I don't have to pay the 3 grand, but 700 still is a lot for something I could have done for 200 myself and put on the channel. I still could take it back, but I wanted to use a warranty because I want the person that buys this car to have a brand new ABS actuator with the labor and part warranty, like full. If I just buy it used on eBay, it's kind of like hit or miss. So this car is going to be in perfect condition for when I do sell it, hopefully the end of June. So more news, I'm buying a house. I found a townhouse actually, so it's not a full house with land. I'm not one of those huge YouTubers that has, you know, $1 million house, dream garage, none of that stuff. It's gonna have a 1-car garage, but it's a great investment for equity. I'm buying it from a family member, and they're giving me an awesome deal on it. I already have access to the house, so I've been slowly cleaning it up, fixing it up, making it how I want. Looking at furniture, but I close at the end of June, so by the end of June I'll have a new place to live, and I have a driveway and a garage, and I can set it up how I like to make videos. I probably will have the Lexus for a little bit there, but I will be looking to sell that just to kind of save a little bit of money to get my next project, which I've had my eye on. So the big updates are, I haven't had my car, but once I get it back and fixed, I'll be selling it. I'm getting a house at the end of June, and I'd like to get another car this year, but I'm not really sure yet. I have something in mind. It involves a swap, so leave in the comments what you think it might be below. Now, it is more of a budget build. It's not like a ISF or anything. I'd like to get that down the road, but I'm starting small. I'm trying to build this channel into something that's a little bit more diverse with projects and everything. The Lexus IS350 has been a great car, but I can't focus on that car forever, especially if I want to do more on YouTube. And I'm sure if you follow bigger guys on YouTube, you see that. They don't have the same car forever. Maybe a few years here, and then they get something else, and they have multiple things going on at once. My life with my job full-time is a little too busy to be able to do that, but I can at least have 1 or 2 cars. And I really like the 4Runner. I've been doing a little bit of build stuff on that, and the Lexus IS350 has been great, but I think it's time to move on from that car. Really enjoy the 4Runner and get a project that I can keep in my new garage and do videos on. If you're trying to guess, think small. But either way, I'm pretty excited because I'm gonna have a house, but I'm also gonna have a mortgage and other bills to pay. But it's not like YouTube pays a lot. So my full-time job is funding everything. I'm getting a house, just like anybody else would. And it's just crazy that I'm getting it in this market with everything going on. But yeah, YouTube doesn't really pay that much, especially for a channel my size. It's not gonna pay my mortgage, so I'm trying to build it a little bit on the side. This is a side hobby and kind of job, and it's a lot of work, but I enjoy doing it and I like to do it. I'm gonna keep doing it, keep making videos. I'm not gonna be going and buying like GTRs and Lamborghinis and brand new C8 Corvettes. It's not what I'm gonna do. It's not what I'm about. I'm more kind of like budget minded just because I like to save money and have money to do other things, because I have so many hobbies. Cameras, computers, cars, guitars, music. I'm wearing an August Burns Red shirt. Shout out to them. They're an awesome band. I've listened to them since I was like 15, I think. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stuff I need to buy for the new place just to make it my own, but overall 2020 has brought a lot of updates and changes. So the Lexus will be fixed soon. I want to do a video, full video on the ABS update. It was the ABS actuator, but I can show you like what actually was replaced. And show you the builds and everything, so stay tuned for that video. I'd really like to do that before I sell it, and maybe do like a final video with it. I think that would be cool. I do miss driving it, honestly. I miss driving the IS350. Driving the 4Runner around all the time, it's fine, it's great. Not that I've been driving that much lately, but I do miss the IS350. So I can't wait till it's back. I can't wait to get the house. I can't wait to move in. So that's a little bit about my life, a little bit of a life update. So thanks for watching and thanks for following along. It's great to have a community with Marty Motoring. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, keep those wheels turning.